Well, howdy there, everybody. This is Creeking with Cody. I just want to do a quick intro for this video. This is a video from back in the springtime. I took a rooster tail out to a private pond and caught a few bluegill. Had a great time. I just wanted to say thank you for anybody that watches this video. Like, subscribe. It would mean so much to me. If you could do that for me, that would be wonderful. I'm going to continue to try to grow this page, and you're just going to see a lot of fishing videos out of me. That's really my therapy, is wading creeks here in Middle Tennessee and surrounding areas, and I love every second of it. You'll see a few videos thrown in of me fishing, lakes, ponds, wherever we end up at. But I love to do it, and it's definitely my release from all the things that life can throw at you. And I just try to keep my faith strong in the Lord and have fun every time that I go out fishing. So, all right, y'all enjoy the video. I appreciate it. It's gotta be something. Here we go. Nice little brim here. He's fighting like mad. Here we go. That's what it took. It's coming to nice little brim there. Well, it's the first fish I've caught. I only caught it on the caught the video of it on the GoPro. So beside this tree. It was just right there, right on the edge of things down through there, so we can carry it across here. Oh, here we go. Oh, he's still on there. He's got a couple of little buddies following as well. Nice little brim. A lot of water. Here we go. Oh, these are fun fish to catch. Fun fish to catch. Give it up, knucklehead. There we go. Pretty little. Oh, he come off. Oh, creeks and the lakes right now, I feel like, and hard to catch them as much. Man, I'm excited and happy with whatever's biting at the time. Come one, come all. That little fish. There it is. Nice little hit there. Are you gonna try to take me over? Another good little brim. Come out of the water here. Oh no, don't get wrapped up in all that. Oh, all that gunk. That's okay. Okay, fly fishing, done right. Okay, he was a little fighter though. Nice little fish. Yeah, let's moss over and find the hooks. Nice little. Yes, I'll take you around there. Okay. Last cast right over here. It's like they're super active when you first get here, and then it's like they realize that somebody's out here fishing. Here we go. Finally hooked up on one. Another little brim. First fish in a while. I'll take it. Wrapped up in the moss. Yeah, get all this moss off of you, buddy. Let's see. I'm still trying to. Good grief, man.